Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Vivo X90 Pro in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Vivo X90 Pro is based on the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chip. On board there is 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of fast storage. ARM Immortalis G715 is responsible for the Vivo X90 Pro graphics. Vivo X90 Pro has all the flagship features. The performance reserve is enough for any task, including the most modern and heavy games. Built-in storage is enough for almost everything. However, if you're into mobile gaming, it might not all fit given the appetites of some hits. Also, if you shoot a lot of video, you will periodically have to do cleaning. The Vivo X90 Pro has a 6.78-inch screen with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels and is made using OLED technology. OLED displays, which include a mold, are distinguished by the highest contrast due to the features of the technology, as well as the absence of a layer between the glass and the matrix. But the most important property is the ability to display information while the device is in sleep mode, always on display. In addition, OLED displays traditionally have good viewing angles. Since the dark parts of the image consume less power due to the characteristics of OLED, it is recommended to use dark themes for Vivo X90 Pro. It will greatly improve battery life and reduce power consumption. The refresh rate of the Vivo X90 Pro screen is 120 Hz, which many competitors can envy. Due to the high frequency, the interface pleases with a special smoothness, which may also make it seem that the device is running faster. The Vivo X90 Pro zoom camera has a resolution of 50 megapixels. The focal length of the camera corresponds to 50 mm in 35 mm equivalent. In the same equivalent, photographers would call it normal, and not telephoto, or zoom. For telephoto, the focal length should be at least 85 mm, and for the Vivo X90 Pro, this is just a good portrait lens. Such lenses are called portrait lenses because they do not distort facial features and are great for portraits, unlike wide-angle lenses like the main camera. Unfortunately, telephoto lenses are a rare guest in mobile devices due to the complexity of the optical design, which cannot be too small for a large focal length. Vivo X90 Pro has a built-in 4870 mAh battery. There is a fast charge of 120 watts, 50% charged in 8 minutes. In addition to fast wired charging, the Vivo X90 Pro has 50W wireless charging, which is a big plus. Other features: Bluetooth version 5.3, support for aptX is. NFC is. The Vivo X90 Pro fingerprint sensor is located under the screen. Works slowly compared to the sensor that is built into the button, and with a lot of errors. With wet hands, you will not be able to unlock the device at all. This concludes the review. Bye bye.